We've got a 2019 Forest River Blue Ridge. This is the direct crossover to the Cardinal. 6-point hydraulic leveling. This is a true all-season live-in style camper. Filtered water system, heated belly. Nothing on the outside to get cold. This is a 4-slide unit, about 40 foot rear storage. This has got the Dexter never adjust brakes, and the CRE 3000 wet bolt system provides an independent style suspension. Model 3780 Blue Ridge by Forest River. About 13,500 pounds unloaded. This is a rear living bunkhouse floor plan. It just got here a few hours ago. This is Friday the 10th of May. If you like this trailer, get a hold of me right away. These don't last very long on our lot. Residential refrigerator, big island counter area, residential size oven, 4-burner range, microwave convection combo, a huge pantry, big ball bearing drawer glides on that one, space for a, it's dark in here, it's still on the PDI slab, it hasn't been prepped for sale yet, like I said, just came in today, but space big enough for a trash can. We've got the rear living room with 5 seats, I think 2 of them are recliner, cup holders. We got, that's right, yep, more cup holder space here. TV with the electric fireplace furnace, dining room space, and the bunkhouse area. So the ability to sleep 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 in the bunk area. We could also turn this into an office space for a desk. Lots of storage back here. Entertainment area. The bunk bed stows away to just turn it into a kids play area, a kids meeting space. This has got the quiet air conditioners, big closet there. Big coat closet. When you see the ducts up here on the side, it's telling you that these are quiet ACs. Got the ceiling fan, 4-speed vent fan, and then another quiet AC in the front, so a dual air system. We've got the loft up above, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4 or more can sleep in the bunk areas, more down below. King bed up here, huge storage area with all ball bearing drawer glides. Washer dryer ready for a stacked unit. Huge closet. TV, dresser space, storage under the bed. Lots of headroom, lots of moving around space. Big bathroom with a porcelain stool. A lot of storage. Again, we just got this in on trade. Be first. 918-504-7727. Erik DESHANE at CAMPERLAND. Give me a call anytime. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe. Thank you.